Are you ready to reclaim your life and live in your own terms? Imagine breaking free from the 9 to 5 grind. No more rushing through your days just to make ends meet. Instead, picture yourself earning daily payments, doing something that not only provides for you but also aligns with your purpose and your passion. This isn't just about making money. It's about creating a life filled with freedom, joy, and meaningful moments with the people you love. By starting an automated business, you can finally have the time to truly live, whether that means traveling the world, spending more time with your family, or simply waking up without an alarm clock. And the best part is, this opportunity isn't just for you. It's a way to make a difference. You're not just changing your own life. You're helping others in the United States and around the globe find the same freedom and fulfillment. Join us in building a future where your work enhances your life, not consumes it. The journey to your dream life starts right here. Let's make it happen together. Take care and have a great day.